Hi everybody, this is Sam. A common question that I receive from a lot of people is exactly how do you make a bandsaw box? Well, I'm here to show you how today. A bandsaw blade consists of one continuous loop of metal. Therefore, to cut inside opening, you have to cut into the actual workpiece and then glue it back together. So naturally, constructing a bandsaw box requires a lot of hard work, a lot of patience, and a lot of wood glue.
Pardon me.
I have a beautiful piece of Patagonia rosewood, which is imported from Argentina. I will now demonstrate the next step in constructing a bandsaw box, which is to rough cut the outside shape of the box.